In this next video, we're going to quickly cover what a selectable package is and how to create one. So first, let's check out the orders page. I'll click Create Manual Order, just so we could see, here's our customer's choice selectable package. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Select. And you see that brings us to the option where, as the customer, we can now choose our meals within this package. You'll notice certain meals even have an upcharge of $1. So this is asking me to choose 6 entrees. So I'll go ahead and I'll choose 6. And then that's automatically moving me down to my next component, which is to choose your breakfast, and I can choose 2. So I'll go ahead and I'll choose both. You'll see if I try to add more, it actually lets me know in this little message on top that I've already selected the maximum, and I can click Add to Bag. So that's the premise of a selectable package, is that the customer gets to create it themselves. So next we'll go over how to actually create that. So back on our menu page, we'll click Add New, and we're going to do Package. And I'm going to just name this Test Selectable. And the description could be anything. I'll just put Test. And let's say the base price of this package is $50. And I want it to be in the category of weekly packages. Now, we're going to skip the items tab, because if you watch the previous video, this is where we would be setting up a preset package. In this case, we're going to come right to variations and components. We're going to say add package component. And now this is where we can enter the thing like choose your entree. So let's say choose your entree, and let's give them a minimum and maximum of 5 here. So they have to choose 5 meals. You could ignore the pricing here and the delivery day here. That's for more advanced features. We're talking about just basic selectable packages here. So choose your entrees, and now to set the meals that they could choose, here under items, we're just going to click adjust. And now I can come through here, and these are going to be the meals that they could choose from. And if I want, let's say the Asian steak and peppers, let's make that an additional $2, and we'll make the beef and broccoli an additional $1.50. And go ahead and click Save Items. Uh, to make your life easier in the future, if you're ever editing a package, you could just click Show Included, and it'll show just the meals that you have selected. But I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to add another package component, and let's make this choose your dessert. And we'll say that they get 3 choices for this, 3 minimum, 3 maximum. Again, you could ignore this other stuff for now, and we're just going to click adjust, and we're going to come through here and click a few other meals, and again click save items and go back. Now I'm just going to click OK here to save this package, come back to my orders page, give it a quick refresh, and click create manual order. Now here is the selectable package, and when I click on it, you see it gives me my choice to choose your entrees. These are the meals I set with the upcharges that I set, and here are the desserts that we set. And just like that, you can create one or more selectable packages and let the customer be able to choose how they want to build that out.